In my last video, I told you what Claude CoWork is. Today, I'm going to show you how to get it set up, and it's quicker than you think. Also, stick around for a bonus tip at the end. You need two things, the Claude desktop app, which you can see on my screen, and a paid Claude subscription. That's Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Pro starts at $17 a month. This is what I'm on. Step one is to download the Claude desktop app from claude.com/download. It's available on Mac and Windows. Just click on either icon and it will start downloading automatically. Once it's installed, open it up and you'll see CoWork tab at the top here, right next to chat and code. Before you start your first task, CoWork will ask you to give it access to a folder on your computer. This is very important. To do that, click on this button here. This window will pop up, giving you access to all the folders you want it to play in. Now, only give it access to the folder you actually want it to work in. I have a dedicated folder just for CoWork. I put everything in there that I want Claude to work with. As you can see, it's a sandbox, which means that Claude can only play in this folder. It cannot see anything outside of it, so I don't need to worry about it poking around my whole computer. When you're ready, click open and then allow. Here's a bonus tip that most people skip. You can set global instructions. Go to settings, general, and then you'll see this section here. This is where you tell Claude a bit about yourself, your preferences, how you like things formatted, your preferred tone. You can also give it some personal information so it knows about you as well. I've kept it simple for now with directions mainly around language and formatting, and these rules will apply to every single session without me having to repeat myself. And that's it. Honestly, the setup takes about 5 minutes, and in the next video, I'll show you the first real task I gave CoWork and what happened when I did. If you have a question, put it in the comments, like if this video was helpful for you, and follow so you can catch up on the whole series.